Understanding cloudy day in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to talk about a very common weather description you'll hear in English, a cloudy day. We'll look into what this phrase means, how you can use it in your conversations, and we'll also go over some related vocabulary. Whether you're planning to travel to an English-speaking country or just enhancing your English skills, understanding these simple phrases can make a big difference. So, let's get started. The phrase, cloudy day, refers to a day when the sky is covered by clouds. Clouds are those white or gray fluffy things in the sky that can sometimes block the sun. A cloudy day may vary in terms of how much cloud cover there is. It can range from few clouds, where the sun may still shine through, to overcast, which is when the sky is completely covered by clouds and little or no sun is visible. The term, cloudy, can be used in various contexts and can describe different types of days. For instance, partly cloudy, when there are more clouds than sun. Mostly cloudy, when clouds cover most of the sky, with little sun peeking through. Overcast, as previously mentioned, is when the sky is fully covered with clouds. Discussing the weather is a common small talk topic, and being able to describe the weather is a practical skill. Here's how you can talk about a cloudy day. It's pretty cloudy outside today, isn't it? Looks like a cloudy day. We might not need sunglasses after all. I love how the sky looks on a partly cloudy day. It's so dramatic. Remember, talking about the weather is also a way to start a conversation or make comments on the day's condition, which can be a segue into other discussion topics. A cloudy day is not just about the weather. It also affects mood and activities. On a cloudy day, people might say, "This cloudy weather is making me feel sleepy. We might have to cancel the picnic if it stays overcast." The weather can influence what we do during the day, what we wear, and even how we feel. For English learners, understanding these nuances can be very useful in everyday conversations. On a cloudy day, you might find that certain activities are more popular or practical than on sunny days. Some examples include, I like to read a book on a cloudy day. It's a great day for visiting a museum since it's so cloudy. By discussing activities suitable for a cloudy day, you can also expand your vocabulary related to hobbies and pastimes. I hope this video has brightened your understanding of the term, cloudy day, and how to talk about it in English. Remember, whether the sky is clear or filled with clouds, every day is a great day to learn something new in English. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Have a wonderful, cloud-filled, or cloud-free day.